Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Get Notifications for All Messages in Chat. Have you ever wanted to prioritize or easily find the conversations that are most important to you? Google has developed notifications in Google Chat to help with this. Let's look at how to set up notifications in Google Chat. Open Google Chat, and next to any of your direct messages or spaces, click the three vertical dots and then click Notifications. Click on All and then click Save at the bottom of the notification pop-up. You should now receive notifications for all messages in the direct message or space that you set the notification on. When you receive a notification about a chat conversation, it will come in multiple ways. If you are in Gmail, a number will appear over top of the chat icon. On the bottom left, a picture of the person who sent the message will appear, and there will be a red dot over top of their image. Depending on your notification settings, you may also receive a notification with part of the conversation in the bottom right of the screen. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.